Today going to talk about and use Everbab's new face palette. This full name is called Elegant Matte Eyeshadow Palette. My number is 02. It's although a eyeshadow palette, but you can actually use for full face as well, same as the one they had before. Everbab, this brand, if you don't know, the brand name is over here. Now, I highly recommend everyone should have a palette of theirs, especially if you're beginners. If you're beginners, you have to have one. This is their previous one, which I had before. This palette is multifunctional, is one for all. All 6 colors on their previous palettes are matte, which you have a matte highlight powder, blush colors, as well as main colors for your eyes as well, contour colors, the darkest color for defining the eye, as well as wing out. This palette, highly recommend. And this time is the new palette, which have a shimmer color and a light sky blue color, which is very interesting. And the light sky blue color you can use to highlight the center of the face, which is a beautiful blue color. This color, which we will use later, I used some blue blush before. It all makes my face look a little bit gray rather than lighting it up, but this blue one is really good. And you have the main colors as well as blush colors for the eyes and the cheek. Then you have more, this one is more like a bronzer, and to contour your eyes as well. Darkest color again for defining and the wing out. So today we're going to use both of them. Quickly show you guys the color swatch. Can you guys see this blue? Based on like light yellow skin, is have just a hinted sky blue in there. And also the darkest color is quite interesting. It has green, muddy green in there. Firstly, let's use this color as a brow powder. The powder quality is really good. It's creamy fine. You don't get clumps, you don't get unevenness. It's very easy to be blended out. See, with the powder, without. And this color looks on the face very natural, right? And then just use a brow pencil just to fill up the gaps. Then I'm going to use this color to contour. I contour the eyes as well as the nose. Then I am going to use the other palettes. This two, just going to mix these 2 colors because it's slightly more gray, which is better to contour the nose. Today I will do half face first so you guys see the difference. Then back to this new palette, use this light blue color. Okay, let you see this side, yeah, this part. Can you guys see the difference? And you see, it just like naturally brightened up. You don't see any like blue whatsoever or gray under here. Then for the eyes is mostly simple eye look, no brainer. Mix these 2 colors. Just get this color to your entire eyelid. You see, you still see the color pigment compared to no colors. Then I will mix the same 2 colors, then just add a little bit more focus at the outer corner. Moving up and moving out. Then use a smaller brush, get the light blue color to just highlight the fake eye bag. Like that. Very natural. Can you see the size difference of the two eyes already? Then use a angled brush, dip into the darkest color to wing out. Same color, just to apply a little bit more over here, like that. Leave a little bit of gap towards the actual lash line, like here. Then smudge it out. Topped up with the shimmer color. And then you finish the eyeliner and the lashes as usual. Let's see the two difference. And on this side, what you see the miracle is you don't see too much colors pile up on the face, but you straight away see the structure being lifted and your eyes being emphasized, being enlarged. Let's continue. I use this full matte palette just to finish the face contour. Again, to mix these two colors. Can you see the color? Even performing in the large areas on the face, there is no cakiness. It's very, very smooth. For the blush, I'm going to use this new palette just to mix these two together. Although it's called eyeshadow palettes, but you don't need to worry about the pigmentation. It's a little bit too strong when you want to use on the face. It's really good. See? You only need this much. And then you still have a little bit on the brush, right? Then all you do is sweep back to the eyes and join the blush and sweep with the contour, including the nose. Then you make kind of like all-in-one. The color is all melt in with each other. With a natural, simple makeup like this, is really help you to become a better yourself. You are still you, but just better. The ratio between your eyes, your nose, and the face area is much more balanced. Make your whole structure looks much more energetic. Everbab these two palettes, from its powder quality, the blendability, the color combinations, as well as its pigmentation, is just about right for you. If you want to get an effortless, natural, elegant, beautiful look, and you feel you tried but still couldn't get there, you may just need a couple of more palettes. Hope you liked today's video and this look. If you do, don't forget to click the like button and most importantly to subscribe to my channel. I will see you on my next video.